Hey folks, so today we're down here on Coney Island. It's been a while since I've been down here, so thought I'd take a trip down for sunset. It's pretty quiet today, like the main park, all the attractions and arcades and stuff aren't open, so that works. It's pretty bright at the moment, blue skies, a little bit of cloud coverage, so it'll be interesting. It's about 2 hours to sunset, so probably just walk around and chill out and see if I can get some shots until then. So yeah, stick with me and check back in a while. Hello again. So I'm walking on the boardwalk. It's been pretty quiet by all accounts. Something to get more light and shadow happening, but I think I got here at the wrong time, to be honest. Yeah. Sunset shortly, so keep strolling down along, see what happens. Spin you around so you can see. Sorry if I've just blinded you. Clouds are looking pretty cool, like, but let's see what happens. Took a shot there of trying to get the sun to illuminate the light, if you get me. So took a few shots. Let me know what you think. Nice sky there at the moment. I think we'll grab a shot of the amusement ride. Can't remember what it's called right now, of course. But yeah. Might work out okay, actually. Yo, so it hasn't really turned out the way I had hoped. For some reason I thought there was, like, I don't know, more landscapey shots. Sun is still over here, it's getting lower, but I don't think there's going to be much of a sunset. I mean, I've taken a few shots and stuff, but I honestly don't know how they turned out. There's this rock section down here. I don't know, maybe take a walk over there and see if there's anything. Just, I don't know, maybe if the light was better. I'm struggling to find something where the light's, giving a nice side light or something like that. Can't even find like a focus or subject, I should say, for when the sun does set. I don't know. Any suggestions for me? Let's go on this barge. Down on the beach here at the moment. That's where the sun is, you can see. So maybe chill out and see what happens. Go for a shot of these people in the water, I think.